getting the things done and working together with all kinds of disciplines. That's the challenging part. My name is Nico van der Heijden and I am a senior MAIT manager at TNO. If I look at space, we started with a few people and that was growing, and then we introduced people that are only responsible for management. We introduced people that are for the product assurance, for instance, quality and things like that. So then we divided the work actually in disciplines, and that was the moment when also MAIT was introduced. I think the most important thing is that you are not thinking about putting people into boxes, because the MITer is also part of the whole team. So he's also thinking with the designers and also thinking with the system engineer. And of course also the system engineer can be a part of your whole MIT process. So it's not that there are strict boundaries between all these disciplines. I think it's more like you have a team. It is something that you do together.